guys, I hope you're having a great day. Today's makeup look is part of a 5-minute makeup look series. This one though, I think will be faster than 5 minutes because it's so super easy. It's inspired by Sam Chapman's makeup look which he created using non-cruelty free makeup products. But I obviously gonna be using only vegan and cruelty free as I always am. So without any further ado, let's start. So I'm gonna start from prepping my eyes. So for that I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in Situ. I'm gonna quickly set this up. So we are going for the yellow summery look as Sam Chapman did, our inspiration today. So for that reason I'm using the eyeshadow palette that has yellow color in it. The eyeshadow palette will do as long as it has yellow color. I'm going with a NYX Licorice Lane though, as this yellow is just so beautiful. Look at that, it's like proper yellowy yellow as you can get. So all over the mobile lid, one color, strike. As I mentioned, all over the mobile lid, more like in the middle and closer to the lash line, and then just blending it up. So I'm just blending up what's left on the brush. So next thing what Sam did, she used a black kohl liner. So I'm gonna use the NYX black pencil. What I'm gonna do, going very close to the lash line on the outer corner. Smudge it up later. And working it between the lashes. Taking the eyeliner brush, I'm just gonna smudge it. I'm gonna do like a wing, just smudging close to the lash line. Next step is to curl lashes, some mascara, and it's done. Easy. And mascara. And mascara is on, so you can leave it just the way it is, or you can go with some falsies. I'm gonna go with falsies by Wake Up and Makeup and a Style and Natural. So the lash is on. As I mentioned, you can totally skip the lash part and just leave a mascara, but makeup look is pretty much done. So first I'm gonna go with foundation and contouring and all, and then I'm gonna do inner eye corner and lower lash line. But the majority of the job is done. As easy as that. I'm gonna quickly go do the face and come back to you. Alright, so I did my face. I mean, foundation, contour, highlighter, and all that stuff, and lipstick as well. Looks so much better, isn't it? More redness going on. Let's finish off the eyeshadow. So for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna come back to the same NYX Licorice Lane palette and this beautiful yellow color. We're just gonna go yellow all over. Give it some brush. Going all over the lash line. As you see, I'm just smudging the shade all around lower lash line. Not being super precise or anything at all. For inner eye corner, I'm taking a small dense brush and Love You So Much palette by NYX, and I'm gonna go with this yellow color because we do yellow everything. the mascara and lower lash line, and we're done. And we're done. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And if you're gonna go and recreate this look, tag me in your pictures. I would love to see your creations and variations of that, as I was inspired by Sam Chapman, and I think we all kind of get inspirations from others and create our own versions of it. So if you do so, tag me in your pictures. I would really love to see that, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys.